Today we're going to do a review on writing variable expressions. So they're going to give you the word form of an expression and you need to write it algebraically. So the first one is add y to 9. So that means you're starting with 9 and you're going to add y to it. So just 9 plus y. The next one is the sum of b and c. And sum means addition, so b plus c. And then add s and 4, then subtract 7 from the result. So go step by step. Add s and 4. So we have s plus 4. And then the next step is to subtract 7 from the result. So that means we have to do this part first and then subtract 7. So that would be our expression for that. And then the next one, multiply the sum of v and 5 by w. So we have to figure out what the sum of v and 5 is first. So that's addition, the answer to addition. So v plus 5 has to be taken care of. And then we're going to multiply that by w. So multiply by w. You could also write w out front and have it look like that. So last one here, raise b to the 4th power is the first thing. So we're going to have b to the 4th power, subtract 10 from the result. So we're going to minus 10 from that. Then add what we have. So that tells us we better do that first. We have to add that to 6. So then we're going to do plus